All right, we are just melting 1 whole stick or half a cup of butter on medium heat in our pan. Now I have some corn here, 2 cans of golden corn going right in here with our butter. I drain those. Ooh, I love me some corn, especially when it is canned. It's gonna be such a delicious side dish. It's honestly gonna be one of the best side dishes you've ever had, if not the best. Our butter is getting nice and melted, so we can move on to our next step. We're gonna add some sour cream. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of sour cream. I think that looks about right. And then we're going to add some honey. And we're just gonna do the same thing. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of honey. It's going to be a delicious honey butter corn. And then of course we have to add some salt. Not too much salt. Salt to taste. And then some black pepper. Beautiful. And then we are going to add some ground red pepper, cayenne. And you can add as little or as much of this as you like, depending on your heat level, heat tolerance. I'm adding about 1/4 of a teaspoon, maybe 1/3. And I'm going to take back my spatula and we're going to stir this all together. Ooh. Roxy's in the background. She is excited. I think Roxy will eat just about anything. Roxy's my dog. I think she loves corn too. Don't you, Roxy? So you're just gonna stir this together until it's a nice, creamy consistency. And you just wanna make sure your corn is completely heated through. That'll take about 5 minutes. Okay, our corn is nice and hot, so it is time to serve it up. Ooh, yum. There we go. I smell that sweetness from the honey. Oh yeah. We're gonna give it a try. Roxy. Look at Roxy, look. Roxy. Woo, corn, yay. All right. Best way to do corn.